Do you have any question for me or for us? A question that always gets asked at the end of the interview. Once again, we should be prepared. What should we ask them? As always, the key here is to stand out. You want to make sure that these questions demonstrate how you're really interested in the company and how you've thought well about why you want to work here. The key points here are to focus on the interviewer. So use the word you, not I. You can perhaps say, I had a really good time at this interview. I do have a few questions for you. And then direct that attention to them. Because interviewers are humans too. And as humans, we like talking about ourselves. If throughout the entire interview, all they did was ask questions and all you did was answer questions, they're probably bored out of their mind, or at least not having as much time as if they also got a chance to talk about themselves. So use that to your advantage. And ideally, if you're able to mention something that they mentioned throughout the interview, that also shows that you're paying attention and that you care, which is a big bonus. Listen to what they say about themselves at the beginning or during the interview, and bring it up later in the interview towards the end so that the question is tailored to them. Use their name and use what you know about them to ask a specific question. What are some of these questions that you should ask? Here are a couple list of questions that I personally really like and I think are good questions to ask. And you only need to ask maybe 1, 2, or 3 questions, but you can pick your favorite. So here goes a couple of these. 1. What is the greatest mistake you made in the first month of the job? And what did you do? Again, you're interviewing them, but this allows them to talk about themselves. The second one, where do you see this company going in the next 3 years, next 5 years? I want to be here for a while, but you work here and you have better knowledge of the company than I do, and I would like to see where the company is headed. Again, a great question to show that you want to be here long term. But you also get to find out about long-term plans of the company. Why did you join this company? Again, ask them why they're here. Have you seen your skills grow in the past year? Another question is to perhaps ask them the one time that they messed up at the job and how it was handled by the company. And then finally, my favorite question, what they wish somebody told them when they just started the job at this company. That way they get to talk about their experience, and that way you also get to find out how the first week of the job will be. Now, all these questions are targeted towards the interviewer, but it shows that you actually care and that you have genuine questions and you're not just here to land a job to make money and that's it. Again, it makes you more human, less of a robot. It's really going to create a better bond with your interviewer. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.